Welcome all of you. Now we are going to discuss a rank size rule, which was first observed by Felix Hoelbach in 1933, and later on it was proposed and popularized by G.K. Cheap in 1949 in his book Human Behavior and the Principle of the Least Effort. Now we will move towards the definitions of the rank size rule. Rank size rule is a theory that describing numerical distribution of the settlements, which recognizes an empirical regularity whereby the product obtained by multiplying city's rank by its size is equal to the constant, the population of the country's largest city, such that for giving settlement system. It is very easy to understand and interpret a rank size rule. So there are few other definitions that help us to understand rank size rule. If all the settlements in the area rank in the descending order of the population size, then the population of the nth city will be the 1/nth of the size of the largest city, and the population of the other urban settlements will be arranged according to the series 1, 1/2, 1/3, and so on. So here, one of the important thing that we have to consider is that when we rank the city on the basis of its population, suppose the largest city in the town has a population of 100, then as per the rank size rule, population of the second largest city is the 50, which is the 1/2 of the first largest city. Population of the third city is 1/3, means 33.33, and the population of the fourth city in the rank order is the 1/4 of the largest city, that means it is 25. As like that, when we rank the cities according to the population size, then there is a decrease into a population as per the rank size rule. So according to the rank size rule, second largest city has 1/2 population as compared to the largest city. Third ranking city has 1/3 population as compared to the first largest city. Fourth city has 1/4, and so on up to the nth city. Nth city has 1/nth of the rank as compared to the largest city. So these are the basic things that we have to know about the rank size rule. The rank size rule was interpreted with the help of the simple formula Pn is equal to Pi upon n. So here Pn means population of the nth rank city. Suppose we want to know the population of the nth rank city, then how we calculate that population or how we determine that population according to this rule was given with the help of this formula. So Pn, population of the nth rank city. Pi is the population of the largest city in that particular country, and n is the rank of the city. So when we divide the population of the largest city by the rank of the city, then automatically we get population of the nth city. And when we multiply the population of any city by its rank, then automatically we will get the population of the largest city in that country. So as we already discussed that the second ranking city of the country has 1/2 of the population of the largest city, the third ranking 1/3 of the largest city, and so on down the scale. In other words, it says that if all the cities in the country are arranged in order of decreasing population size, then the size relationship between the towns or the cities of each rank is extremely regular, with the fewer larger cities or the towns and many small cities or the towns. The rank size relationship is best described in a graphical form by plotting cities rank against the population on the logarithmic graph, and it is also useful for the comparative purpose, since by plotting city size distribution on a logarithmic graph, the degree to which distribution confirms rank size rule is usually expressed by the degree to which it deviates from the straight line. Now we are going to discuss what are the works done in the area of the rank size rule and what are the views that were expressed by other scholars on the rank size rule. So first of all, according to the Chorley and Haggett, rank size rule is the social and economic model which state that there is a harmonic progression of the city in the urban hierarchy, such that if the population of the largest city is known, then the expected population of the other cities in that country can be derived with the help of the rank size rule. Another scholar, Stuart J.Q., has compared the population of the largest city and second largest city of 72 countries, where he observed that expected population varies between 1.5 to 17% from the observed population. Another scholar, Berry has studied rank size rule for 32 countries and found that it is not easy to relate rank size rule with the general characteristics of the country. Besides that, there have been many attempts to explain the rank size regularity. One attempt seeks to relate to the center place theory. So fluctuation is due to the variation into the activity ratio, and activity ratio is depends upon type of the center. So which type of the center is that, higher order, middle order, or lower order? According to that, population is fluctuated. So here he tried to interpret relationship between the activity ratio and population of that particular towns, and on the basis of that, that rank size rule is related to the central place theory. Rank size rule is the result of balancing out of the conflicting forces. According to him, the forces of diversification and unification produce the empirical regularity, and rank size rule is created. The force of the diversification is associated with the formation of the large number of the small places, whereas forces of unification is associated with the primary deviation or primacy of the city, and automatically the few large settlements were created. So the forces of diversification and unification indirectly associated with the formation of the rank size rule in the country. Minimizing cost and maximizing efficiency is also explaining the rank size regularity. When we observe the real world situation, larger cities are much more costly. The functions like stock exchange and merchant banking, etc., were performed at the larger settlements. And that's why there is a gap between large cities and smaller settlements. That's why there are very few number of the larger cities were created and very large number of the smaller cities are there. It also regulates the rank size rule in a country. So this is one of the important thing that we have to know about the rank size rule. So how there is a creation of the primary deviation, binary deviation, and state deviation. So generally, when the situation is not related to the rank size rule, then automatically there is a creation of the primary or either binary or state-like deviation. So what is meant by that primary deviation? When we look at the population size of the largest city, second largest city, if the size of the second largest city is less than half the size of the first largest city, then it creates a primary deviation, and that's why primacy is created, and that creation of primacy is also called as a primary deviation. Then what is meant by the binary deviation? In case of the binary deviation, if the size of the second largest city is more than half of the size of the first largest city, then there is a creation of the binary deviation. Means two or more cities, they are having same kind of the population size. That's why binary type of the deviation is created. Binary type of the deviation is very common in case of the industrialized countries. Then third type of the deviation is state deviation. Number of the settlements were found at every level. Means at the first level there are two cities which having the similar kind of the population. At second state there are also two or more cities. At third state there are also two or more cities. As like that, at every level there are number of the cities, and that number of the cities associated with the formation of the state pattern of the deviation. So primary deviation, binary deviation, and state pattern deviation are generally disturb the rank size rule. This theory was criticized by various scholars also. Most important criticism on that particular rank size rule was there is no universal definition of the city size. The second most important point on which the theory was criticized was so much dependence on the city size. Only rank of the city and city size, means population size, is taken into consideration. Besides that, there are a number of other factors, functions of the cities, cultural importance of the cities. All these factors are playing very important role. But these factors were ignored and only focus is given over the population size of the city. So these are few examples that interpreted in which country that rank size rule was applicable, to what extent the rank size rule was. So there are few countries which representing rank size rule, because in few countries the second largest city is exactly one half of the first largest city, and population of the third largest city is exactly one third of the largest city. So few settlements still they are having the primate city law, and number of other countries they were expressing the primary deviation or the secondary or state pattern deviation. These are the few examples that describing the rank size rule and also the state like deviation or the binary deviation. So thank you very much for watching.